Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely Volkswagen Polo 1.0 TSI SE Tech Edition. Now this vehicle is currently on 31,153 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour black, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your halogen clear headlights with the LED daytime running lights there below, which really complement the vehicle throughout the day. Got a very nice chrome strip which goes across the front grille and into the headlights. Your 15-inch alloy wheels there, as well as your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. Here inside you'll find a lovely cloth interior. You do have the nice partial textured section there in the centre. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seats as well, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall you do have a nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Now let's head round to the rear of the vehicle. You have your Polo badge in there on the tailgate. Now let's go ahead and open up the boot here. You do have a lovely amount of boot space here. You can fit a weekly shop in there with ease. You even have some additional storage underneath the boot floor as well, making it very nice and practical. You do have tethering points, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. You don't have much of a load lip to lift things over in and out of. You have a handle up top, allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. Now you do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You've got a lovely gloss black finish on there. You've got very nice grey detailing on the dashboard, and your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Volkswagen Polo has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating. Now with the heating you can quickly defrost or demist the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. It's brilliant if they're frosted over or when it's raining. It clears them up nicely, giving you great visibility. Down below here you do have your full electric windows with a button there for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. On the dashboard here you'll find your automatic headlight switch, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You can also pull the stalk out there to turn on your fog lamps. Behind to the right of the steering wheel here you do have your wiper stalk, and here on the right you have your controls for the digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can display all different information on there, such as your digital speedometer, and even access additional menus including your driver assist. You have your front assist, which can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You have a navigation menu there, your audio and phone. You also have your vehicle status as well with any vehicle messages. To the left of the steering wheel here you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're always on the motorway. Underneath your cruise control you'll also find your volume controls for the infotainment system. You do have your indicator stalk there to the left of the steering wheel. Moving on to the centre of the dashboard now. Here in the centre you have your infotainment screen. On this you can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of all different stations available to you. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio with your USB connectivity. You also have SD inputs and Bluetooth. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. It allows you to keep up to date with wherever you need to and ensures you don't miss any important phone calls here. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to pair your device up. Now you do have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. You can even find places of interest with things like petrol stations, restaurants. Finding somewhere suitable if you're in a new area is a very nice feature to have. Now you do have your app connect here with your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, which brings a similar interface to your phones onto the system. Allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command, and you can even use compatible apps as well, such as your music streaming services, your own navigation apps, and even things like WhatsApp and Teams. Now you do have your vehicle menu here. You can find your convenience consumers, your driving data there with things like your miles to the gallon. You can see your long-term since refueling and since starting. You have your Think Blue trainer as well, which gives you a score on how fuel efficient you're driving. You can even find fuel saving tips here. A great way of making the most of the petrol you have. Moving down below here, you do have your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use with the 3 dials here. Your fan speed in the centre, your temperature at the left there, and your direction of airflow at the right. You also have buttons for defrosting the rear windscreen. You also have air recirculation options as well. It's all very easy to use. Below there, a storage compartment with 2 USB ports. Thanks for watching this video on the Volkswagen Polo 1.0 TSI SE Tech Edition. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.